Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am filming 11 Southern baby names that we love but just won't be using. I've been thinking about this list for probably like 6 months now, and I've decided now is the time to announce it just because I feel like it's a good time. I have a couple really exciting videos coming up hopefully soon, so I wanted to share these baby names with you guys sooner rather than later. The first Southern name that we love but aren't going to use is Luke. We have a couple friends named Luke. We love that name, like Lucas or Luke, but it just doesn't fit right for our family, it feels like, but I really love that name and I think it's so cute. The next name and the first girl name is Brielle. I love this name. Riley hates it. He just is not a fan. The next one is Beau, spelled B-E-A-U or B-O. I like B-E-A-U, Riley likes B-O, and that's why we're not going to be using it because we both love the name but can't decide on the spelling, and it just, we've tried. I love that name, but it's just not going to work out for us. The next one is Skylie. If you guys watch Lauren Benet, oh my gosh, her daughter or like stepdaughter is named Skylie, and I love it. I've loved it for years, ever since I started watching Lauren, but it just, Riley does not like it. Same thing with Brielle. Not a fan, but I think it's so cute, like Skylie or Skyla or Skylin. He's just not a fan of the Sky names. The next one is Will or William. Again, I love that name, and I feel like one of my siblings is definitely going to use that name, but it just doesn't fit us. But it's so cute and handsome. The next one is for a boy or a girl, and it's Austin. For a boy, I would do I-N. For a girl, I would do Y-N, like A-U-S-T-Y-N. I love it, but it just, again, doesn't seem right for our family and like the way we picture our kids or what we like envision calling our kids, but I love that name so much. The next one is Emmeline, not Emma, but like M-E, like E, Emmeline. I think it's so cute, but I just can't. Riley wouldn't let me. The next one for a boy is Slade, and I think this is such a cool, strong name for like a Southern boy. I'm trying to squeeze it in as a middle name if we have like multiple boys, but we don't know, so fingers crossed I can work Slade in there somewhere. The next one is Evie, and actually when I made this list I only knew one person named it and I went to high school with her, and then after I made this list I found out that my niece actually got named Evie when she was born, so we can't use that because I do not like using family names. I think each person should have their own name, and like middle name, great, make that a family name, but your first name I think needs to be your own, so we can't use that name anymore because my niece is named Evie, but we weren't really planning on it. I just love that name. The next one is Duke, and again, I made this list before we got Duke. Like, this was like 6 months ago I made this list. Love that name. Wouldn't name a kid Duke, but I like love it, and now we have a dog named Duke, so I apparently loved the name. And the last one is Channing, and it's actually for a girl, which makes it even cuter, I think. Like, cute for a boy, sure, but for a little girl, like Channing Grace, Channing Ray, Channing Emma, like so cute. I love it. I think it's so cute, but Riley doesn't like it, and I don't think I would use it either. But those are my 11 Southern baby names that we love but just won't be using. If I missed any good Southern names, leave them down below for me and comment which one you think you like the best. Also, if you have any other baby names specifically for a little girl, please let me know down below. I'm not pregnant. I'm not asking you for baby names for me, but I kind of am because we have our boys' names picked out 100%, but a little girl's name we are so stuck on. And if we want to start trying to conceive soon, I feel like I need to have a girl's name. So if you have any super cute girls' names, please leave them down below, specifically middle names, because I think we have a first name, we just need a good middle name. So leave those down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!